Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
It's mine.
Who are you? Let's get a good look at her. Oh yeah, there she is. Miss Nastya Pie.
Here, Nastya.
She is now 9 years old, going into grade 3.
Hiding. Ow.
Eating what?
Fruity O's.
Fruity O's.
Fruity O's.
And there is Samantha Haley Fisher moving it around. And here's the little world they play in.
How'd you roll?
Horses, all sorts of little things here. Oh, now she has the dogs.
I got puppies.
Oh, Samantha says she has some dogs here too. Ooh, there is a dog.
I have a
Who are you? What's your name?
Hide.
Excuse me. Excuse me, what's your name?
Bailey. Bailey.
Yeah?
Bailey.
Are you cutie patootie? Oh yeah, nice little scratch.
Bailey. Bailey. Bailey, Bailey, Bailey. Bailey.
Oh, excuse me. What's your name?
Get Sam. Can I try?
No.
I won't press it.
Oh wait, there he is. Sammy.
Please try it.
Puppy. Hello, puppy.
Can I please try it?
Hi.
Can,
Oh, and there's Bailey dog.
can I please try?
Oh.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
No.
Come on, yes, 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 yes.
Samantha, you're not filming. I'm trying to film your friend drinking a drink.
Okay, I
Samantha,
got my hands in here. You
no.
won't drop it.
Ooh, we all have drinks.
She promises she won't drop it. Hey, film.
How come you're so annoying?
Because I'm a kid.
Hey, what was that? Oh my.
I guess the grape juice gives off burps.
Oh, well guess what? It's bedtime.
No.
Mm-hmm.